Hi, today I just wanted to talk to myself. I don't know, like a video kind of letter to my younger self, younger in sense when I was in class 6th, 7th, and something happened, and it was the most scary thing in a child's life. I was 12 and it felt like the world is going to collapse and I have nothing to do. Like everything is going to fall on my head. But to talk about it, I have always kind of wanted to leave my home. Maybe because I never felt at home there, even though I had my brothers, my father, and my mother. Me and my brothers always fought, and I thought that is something not going that is something from which I will not be able to overcome and we will not be friends. But now I share everything with them. I am not scared. Even when I'm scared to share something, I share it with them and they try to understand. And I am at a very good place now. I still don't know where will I be in 5 years, but I know where I want to be in 5 years. So to be honest, if I think about that 12-year-old Samvedna, I just have to say कि it will be better. It might not feel better every day that the life you are going through, and you will give everything to come out of it. I am so proud of you that you did it because I feel like you have finally found home. Home in sense that you always thought why don't people talk to you. I think you victimized yourself in some way, and it's not it kind of be your circumstances in which you grew and you saw people talking to you, and it was okay if you victimized yourself because now you understand yourself and it's better here. It was, I know it is hard, and to find home, I say that even if you have not found a group of 10 people you wanted to hang out with, but you have found two people you can hang out with and they understand you. And I know you wanted to sit silently with at least one person and not try to say something, and you have found that person, and you have found a way to talk to your siblings and share everything you wanted to share and not hide something. And even better, you have found home in yourself, you have found home in your best friend, you have found home in your siblings. Even when you don't want to go back to the place you grew, you have found home in the place you have been living for 4 years now, and maybe you would want to live here forever. I know कि you always wanted to run away, and sometimes you still would want to do that. Sometimes you will still want to push away people, and that is fine. I know the place you are coming from, and you have grown way so much. You should be so proud of yourself, and I think उस समय समझ में नहीं आएगा that is something you needed to do for yourself, but I think you will understand it in time. And I know you felt so out of place in places in school, but when you came to college, you tried to be an extrovert. You tried to talk to everyone, and trust me, everyone knows you in college, even when you did not try it. in the first 1 or 2 months you were this extroverted girl. You talked to everyone, you gave auditions in every society that existed, and you got into. And there you turned to be an introvert as always. But you did stuff you always wanted to do. You held back, but people pushed you. You victimized yourself, but you got out of that. You actually performed in front of thousands of people, and for some time hundreds and 200s every day. So you changed, you worked. I tell you, that day when I was performing, when you were performing in front of 1,000 people in your college, in the middle of them, the only thing you were telling to yourself is, you can do this. And that helped. Subah se I was telling myself, you can do this, you can do this, you can do this, like 1,000 times. I must have said that to myself, and it actually worked. I think the only thing you need to understand is that you are a beautiful, kind person and sensitive, and it's okay to be emotional, it's okay to be angry, it's okay to be lost, it's okay to have attachment issues. It's okay, you will sometimes push people away, but you are a great person, and you are coming through with your, you wanted to write stories, you are coming through with your stories. And the story you wrote, what you felt when you were 12, yes, you wrote a story, an essay kind of, for a novel you are working on, and people are loving it. I mean, around 10 people reposted on their stories, and that's a huge thing. Around 200 people viewed it, and around 10 people texted you and told you how much they are proud of you and how much they love what you have written. And you make videos every day, whatever, and you have sarcasm now. Believe me, you have sarcasm now. And I think that is what will keep pushing you, even when you will think that nothing is going to improve. But you will improve. I think you will improve. And you are still improving. It has been years now, 10, 12 years now, and it's better. You have done good, and you are so proud of yourself. Before you couldn't even look at yourself in the mirror. Now you look at yourself and you say you are pretty, and that's plus 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 plus, very plus in your life. You have found things, you have done things. There's too much to do yet, but you did it. You did things you did not even think that you could. You got into college, you made friends, you lost friends, but you did it. You did what you wanted to do, and you are still doing it. You are working on your book, and you will publish it very soon. You will be a great author, and I know you will be a great author. People said it, and sometimes you have to believe what people tell you. When you don't believe in yourself, people do. And the first time I wrote, a senior of mine told me that you are a great poet, and first thing I wrote a story. My professor told me that it's a great story. So you are a great writer. Just believe that you can do it. Tell this to your tell this to yourself every day, every morning you wake up, that you can do this, because you can do anything. There are people out there way less talented than you who worked and they did it. So you can do this, and tell yourself every day that you believe in yourself, because where you are right now, I think you are home.